Breaking news, ladies and gentlemen. Breaking news. Incarcerated dance hall star Vybz Kartel, real name Adidja Azine Palmer, takes the Jamaican government to court in an alleged breach of constitutional rights. Ladies and gentlemen, it's a breaking news. Greetings and salutations, ladies and gentlemen. You know it's your favorite Jamaican. I'm Rastafari, soldier of Deep Roots TV. If it's your first time tuning in, I'm asking you to hit that red subscribe button. Become a part of the Rastaman channel. Help build up the Rastaman panel. The incarcerated dancehall artist Vybz Kartel has decided to pursue legal action against Jamaica's government over the Department of Correction Service decision to place him in solitary confinement. According to the local newspaper, the entertainer's attorney, Issa Buchanan, has filed a document in the Supreme Court seeking several declarations, among being the Fever DJ's right to due process was breached by the correction service as he was placed in solitary confinement for 23 hours each day without a hearing. The Talbot feature note that the Minister of National Security and Attorney General has been named as respondent. In a recent interview with the Fox 5 New York, Lisa Everts, Buchanan noted that the DJ was battling a severe case of Graves' disease, as well as 2 heart conditions, all of which are worsening due to the prolonged confinement that he has been subjected to since May 2023. He's locked up in a locked away for 23 hours a day. And I can confirm since the lockdown, he has picked up an infection from the lockdown and he is being treated for it now, Buchanan told the Star. Since the 23-hour lockdown, he is apparent that his health is deteriorating. I can't speak to the fact that his neck is swollen more than usual and that his eyes are protruding a little bit more than usual, and it's clear that he's under stress when breathing, Buchanan added. It was also reported that Buchanan, in a document filed before Supreme Court, had sought to order would prohibit the DCS from placing Kartel in solitary confinement due to those conditions being a breach of his constitutional right, the fact that his conviction is being appealed, and his current health condition. The harsh measures against Kartel were implemented following the recent development or discovery of cell phones within his cell. Graves' disease can become fatal when it's left untreated. That's because with the disease, your immune system attracts an attack by thyroid, a small butterfly-shaped gland at the base of your neck. Now, according to the medical resource, getting treatment and making appropriate lifestyle changes will significantly improve your outcome and quality of life. Eating food that have large amount of iodine, such could keep away this from the kidney from swelling, may cause or worsen hypertension. Now, it sounds like, again, them worrying for the world boss. The real bad man needs some tender loving and care. In 2013, Kartel complained of severe chest pain. He was handcuffed and accompanied by heavy armed police officers, was treated at the Kingston Public Hospital and then taken back to custody at the Horizon Remand Center. Yeah, you can't fake about no chest pain and get away. Man a real bad man. Man a real bad man. Yeah, I saw you deal with bad man. Do not let up The pressure where we are placed on him because we're doing it to set an example for the rest of the youths them where things say them a real bad man. The law is the real bad man. Now in July of 2015, he was taken to the doctor at the University Hospital, West Indies due to his severe skin inflammation. On here what the real problem is. His visit created quite a security concern. As scores of fans converged on the hospital to get a glimpse of him. And a similar situation occurred 2 years later as the same facility when he was being treated for kidney-related issues. And then in March 2019, he was taken to the University Hospital of West Indies for thyroid-related problem. Kartel and co-accused felon. Kartel and his fellow brethren artist, Sean Storm Campbell, and crony Career Jones, and Andre Madsus St. John were all given mandatory life sentence in 2014 for the 2011 murder of Clive Lizard Williams, which prosecutors say took place at the World Boss House in Heavendale, St. Andrew. Him so full, and then him sing song about it. Why you deal with the lizard? Chop him up, fine. Listen to me. If Jamaicans did not have a carnal mind, a wicked mind, this would not be a story. Let me tell you what's really going on with the world boss dancehall king. He is dying from the mercury poison from his bleach out skin. It's a buckanam you need for trim. And the one Rasta man me ever said that about. But the Most High is trimming you already. Coming on know who have a worse hairline. Vybz start well and end bad, or Issa Buchanam. Imagine this incarcerated dance hall killer, criminal that has been spreading pollution on my entire Melanesian, the whole population. Africans pick it up, Americans unato wicked and lie. For some reason, it's a cultural haven, festival, carnival, when we have some criminal where we deem to be famous. America and the yard, home and abroad, at the same thing, from the Biggie Smalls to the Tupac to the Snoop Doggy fraud, all of them, when them do crime, black people seems to rally around them because them want them to shine. This man is a convicted murderer. This man is convicted for over 10 years now, and Jamaicans still going around acting like he was dealt a wrong hand. He has been proven from the dog bite, from the DNA, from the phone records, and uno one go round the corner about tampering with evidence. From you touch the phone, the evidence tamper with. From the dog though, prove that he had Clive Lizard at him home. Him run, and them catch him, and quang him. Him friend told the story, and he was the witness. Uno don't know the case, don't know. Kartel has been implicated in over 100 murder. Uno go like uno never heard of. When the man said him reached the 33rd stage of evil, you thought he was a mosquito or a fly or a weevil. You think say a joke him did a make? Well, listen to me, people. This is what wickedness get. Him get the strong arm of the law. And now him frozen and him bleach out skin at all. And now uno want to cry and have some pity for this bad boy. Bad boy, bad boy. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when police lock up your crew? Bad boy, bad boy. What you gonna do? No lying fans can't save you. Listen, the Privy Council now let you go. You already spent a dozen years in a prison. Listen, you can't get shun at prison. Ladies and gentlemen, if you want to hear the truth, subscribe to the Approach TV. Leave your comment if you think so. Vybz start well and end bad. Got the wrong rap. If you still believe after 12 years that he is innocent, leave your comment. Me want to hear your crap. If you think so the law got him right because he's not doing right, because him a black a cartel and him bleach out him skin for look bright, and more fire, and more fire, and more lava upon you. More light. Yo, leave your comment, people. If you're not afraid to tell the truth, because this boy a quang off people innocent youth. Yeah, a friend killer. We don't have no pity for no friend killer. No. And we don't have no pity for no boy we are murder in sister and brother. I'm Rastafari soldier. Ladies and gentlemen, Vybz Kartel. Real name Adisha Azin Palmer. Is suing the Jamaican government because of breach of constitutional rights. Him say him not get no nice light, nor no AC in a prison. Listen, me like it when me hear the criminal them get pressure in a the jail. Maybe that will tell the little youths them say, yo, criminal life will make you fail. Yo, money in a criminal crime, you know. But for the government, for the jail, for the prisoners them, you fail. I'm Rastafari soldier. The Approach TV. Lava. Good job, Mr. Holness. Bro, God and the government, me like what you do to Ninja and Cartel, cause they are producers of crime. More life. I'm telling the truth. I'm not lying. Great black people. So on a promote here evil. Me rate black cartel. But the white cartel me no rate. Me burn a bleacher.
And so black people put the wicked them under. Hey Babylon, me see them a fret and them a wonder. Who flashy like the nana, who roll the thunder. Deep root flashy like the nana, him roll the thunder. Babylon, me see that them a panda. Look how much of the youth them well them shut and kill, look how much them put under. How much of the youth them well them send a dove cut ya. Where Babylon the fire burn no longer. Babylon the proofs full of say you can't turn ya. Fire king, Rasta man and a real fire king. Whoa, fire king, Rastafari soldier, fire king. Yeah, balalang,
Pick up the TV. Respect, make sure to tune in.